Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Venmo to an external wallet. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and launch up Venmo, and then I want you to come here and click on the crypto tab at the bottom. Then here you need to just go ahead and pick your crypto that you want to go ahead and transfer. So in our case it'll be Bitcoin. So we'll tap here on Bitcoin, and then here at the bottom right you'll see this icon. This is the transfer icon. I want you to just go ahead and tap on the transfer icon and then come here and just click on continue. And here I want you to click on send. So we're sending to an external wallet, an external Bitcoin address. So tap here on send and then just come here and paste in the wallet address, or you can scan the crypto address as well. Just paste it in and then come here and click on send to. Here you can see the Bitcoin address and then just enter the amount you want to send and follow the on-screen instructions. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.